Annyeonghaseyo! Hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog. I'm Ara.
And I'm Yumin. We are the co-sisters to the Tough Korean Pinay.
Ayun! It's another day and it's another mini vlog naman po kami.
Araw ng Sabado, it's Korean class na naman kami. At today pala, may bagong classmate kami. O, diba nanay namin, classmate din namin? At tatay naman namin ay teacher namin. Wala talaga kaming kawala. Bawal absent para daw kami matutong mag-Korean. Ayo-ayo, pabili po.
Kuya, sure ka ba dyan? One shot lang yan. Baka palpitin ka mong mangyayari sa akin.
Ano one shot, ma'am? One shot ang tama o one shot ang mali?
Kasi, huwag mo na yung tama. Matatamaan talaga ako.
Just eat the radish. Daming gutom. Just eat the radish.
Radish?
That's radish.
After lunch, we went to school. At si Mami naman dumiretso para mag-car wash. Para naman sa aming next schedule. We have 1 to 5 p.m. theater arts naman. Sobrang busy ang mga inday. Wala kapaguran. Kahit Sabado, ganito kami. Malapit na kasi ang play namin sa school. At bawal na kami umabsent. And fast forward. And Appa asked us to watch his marathon. At dahil first time namin, we are so excited nga. At syempre, mag-cheer kami sa tatay namin. Tarunga dagan Appa ha. And he is running 10 kilometers. They start 7 p.m. and they finish 8:10. Kaso ang init sa labas. While waiting for him, we stay in the Bali Cafe. Isang oras kasi aantay namin at si Ate Ganda, bigla akong tinawag. Kasi wala akong socks. Dapat may socks pag maglaro. I feel so embarrassed that time. Pasensya naman, wala akong medyas. At si Ate, to the rescue, pinahiram niya ang medyas niya sa akin. And we went back here to the finish line.
Ayaw mo na ulit. Pero right after kinabukasan, register ka ulit.
Oo, okay na ako. Isang ano lang yan. Isang recovery run lang yan. Okay na. We see a rush of happy hormones as we see beautiful smiles on our participants' face. Look at that. Yan yung mga ngiti that you cannot fake. Kaya naman, next time, di ba? Don't just work on your face, but also work on your pose. Pose.
Congrats, Sapa! You did it again! Sobrang proud naman sa'yo! You did your best in marathon! Another medal at another medal bibigay mo sa akin!
2 years ago, yung nalaman ni Appa, mataas yung sugar niya, and Appa decided to do jogging every day para ma-low yung sugar blood niya. And then, he started his marathon journey na. I remember his first marathon run was 32 kilometers. Sobrang sakit ng paa niya nun. But Appa said okay lang, he will still continue mag-run. Para daw sa amin ni Yumi. Ayaw niya kasi magkasakit and he wants to be healthy para sa amin. And fast forward, we eat dinner dito na sa Korean restaurant. Shoutout pala to our Korean uncle, Samchon Watermelon, with his co-worker, Maura. Salamat sa pag-tanaw. Hindi po nakapag-follow. Please follow the sister po.
That's all guys! Thank you for watching! See you in the next vlog! Bye!